asleep. And then there is the fun. Wow, that is awesome. That is cool. I didn't know that. That is visually cool. Oddly satisfying. Today we're gonna look at the ladder. We're gonna look at the fun stuff. Because it's been a while, okay? There's a trend going around about how if you put this red under your eyes, it looks good on everybody. At first, I just thought this guy has a face that looks good with everything. But then I saw this girl do it. She wears a lot of makeup like I do. And I think it looks pretty cute because it, like, the rosiness under the eyes, it just adds like such a fantasy, mysterious element. And also, if we could do this instead of concealer for under eye circles, that's pretty satisfying to me. So, Harry, I need your help holding up this mirror. I
guess.
Oh no. Okay, this is already gonna be bad. Oh, I'm Beauty Guru. I'm using the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez blush. Don't look at me like that.
Okay, I'll just look at the floor.
Yeah. Can you even see it? Well, can you check if the viewer can see it on camera? I feel like it's the wrong kind of pink. I'm gonna use some of this as well. I hope this doesn't just look like I have pink eye. Oh! Okay, I'm just gonna like not judge until it's done. We can't possibly start a video with me looking like an idiot. What do you think?
Looks like you achieved the effect that you're looking for, but I'm not sure that I'm stoked on it still.
Really? Can I see? Okay, why do I look like a clown?
Oh, that you look like that before the makeup. Yeah, I mean, it's the zombie look that you're going for.
Okay, I gotta wipe this off and then we'll continue. Did it look very good on me? I don't know, but it was fun. And this one is so fun as well. Like, look at this. How? I want to make this bubble so bad. How does it have such structural integrity? Look at this thing. It is so sad. These are oddly satisfying that like they kind of get you a little bit amped up. Like I want to try something new. Like this is cool. How do we live in a world with bubbles like this? What? How does that? I don't know, but everything about this, from the bubble to the girl, I love it. Plane flying in the sky. One time I told this little girl, like, that's how clouds are made. And obviously I didn't believe it, but like, if this girl was my big sister, I would believe it. Sending a cloud back to the sky. What do you mean? And it doesn't look like it's a windy day. So like, I'm not seeing any updraft. There's like, none of these leaves are moving. It's not a windy day. How are they doing this with these bubbles? A party machine? Oh, that is so cool. But I'd be so mad if like this like giant not good foam, like the kind of foam that you see on top of a swamp. That's what I would think this is. We've seen many things, but what about giant things? Ugh. Giant Cheerio. Oh, the bagels. Oh, I like how he like puts sticks for the mini wheats. That's a good gag because mini wheats are just absolutely disgusting. It's so funny to think about how when you're eating cereal, especially like Cookie Crunch and stuff, like it's actually healthy about so many of our breakfast cereals that we're used to. I like going to the States personally because they have a lot of cereals that are like kind of banned here, like because they're just way too unhealthy, but like sometimes you need to get those Cocoa Pebbles in. Sometimes you need to have that fun in the morning. Oh, nice. Thread can be made into flowers. You can learn from it if you like. What do you mean you can learn from it if you like? There's no way any of us are gonna be talented enough to do this or have the time on our hands to do this. Like this is the kind of thing that you make and you could easily sell. Like you could be like, I'm going through Okay. I mean, she's got all the steps down. This girl takes skincare very, very seriously and there's not a pore on that skin. Ooh. I like her taste in product. Skincare routine. Now shut up and watch me make a latte. Oh, even the squirrels are coming to her door like, hello, good morning, skincare queen. And she feeds the squirrels. All right, nice. That was that. It's something to aspire to, that's for sure. Best skincare routine I've ever seen. Latte and then feeding the animals. This like amps me up. Like the finish on the floor, just like filling, like is this paint on? I could do this for a living. I honestly could. This is the coolest thing ever. It is so satisfying. Like this and bricklaying, they seem like some of the most satisfying jobs. Also like working at an ice cream place, unless it gets slammed in the summer. At least here what's it for? Like ice fishing? Whoa, look at that portal. Why did I call it a portal? I don't know. It's like a doorway to another dimension. I don't know why, but like the way that the ice is just coming out in shavings is so satisfying to me. Now that is some thick ice. Oh, but dang. That is thick. How is that? Where are the fish supposed to live if it's this frozen? That's like 2 feet. It's a beautiful drill. It's beautiful ice. I love the shavings. Like, I love these cracks in it. This is just all these.
And a giant Kirby. Oh no. His leg fell off.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
It's
I'm still
okay.
satisfied.
They still cute.
They
See,
are.
Whoa, Kirby. Didn't know you thick. Making Cloud drink so Kirby can fly.
What I want to make is I want to make like little Kirby meringues because like that's really easy and they're like little floaters on top of your drink. The problem with boba is they go to the bottom. I want the meringues that float. It's just egg whites and sugar. You mix it up, you add food coloring, and look at what you can do. Heard of a bubble magician before, but anything bubble related, I'm into it. What? Oh, is she like blowing smoke into the bubbles? Huh? This girl's doing what the girl at the beginning was doing, but on a professional level. I mean, I'd say the girl at the beginning was on a professional level, but like, that is cool. Honestly, it's been a long year. It's been a long 2020 and first half of 2021. She's making a little hole around it. Okay, Meadow Perry official. Get your bubble on, girl. Oh no, oh no. Okay, so this is like a DI, like, why? Like, I can see why a lot of people think it's oddly satisfying. I think it's oddly satisfying, but they're casting forever. Do you ever buy something, whether it be Uber Eats or something on the internet, and then you plug in a coupon, and then you get really excited at the savings? Look at this, 207 due. Give them the coupons. Don't be a 33. No, stop. $16? Sadly, California tax is always a killer though. Yeah, but girl, that was $300 at first. That's crazy. That makes me want to go use some coupons. Like, I used to get really excited when I got like McDonald's coupons in the mail, like $5.99. I was like, me and my boyfriend are going, we're going out, we're going to eat. A soap dispenser in Japan.
I need to show you mine. So this beautiful baby is from Tokyo Disney Resort. All right, and this is what happens.
Soap dispensers. Man, Tokyo Disney really, like Disney in general, like Disney really knows what they're doing. What? How cute. Now, all they need to do is like make the foam fun colors and like washing your hand. Like, imagine how many kids would wash their hands if like you got like a fully colored and like the scent was amount of candy. And we appreciate not being stingy. Also, I really like how the appreciation for gummies has gone up in the past few years. Like, it really seems like everybody's appreciating gummies for what they are. I feel like for a long time, I'd be like, gummies are my favorite. And people would be like, what? I like chocolate. Like, no. Jellyfish. Little candy making. I like it. Apparently this is the craziest sunset we'll ever see. Wow. Okay, I mean, yeah, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. Clouds that look like this texture, like I feel like this is an LA sunset because we don't really get those beautiful sunsets here. And part of what makes the sunsets in LA so nice is like the amount of pollution. It kind of adds like a cast and like a filter on top of everything and like hazes it and softens it and makes the light a perfect ponytails. Also very satisfying to me. Wow! It's like a horse's tail. I mean, I guess that's where ponytail comes from. You give it a little twist and then bun enthusiast, so I like seeing a good bun every now and again. You guys know I love oddly satisfying and I hope that you were oddly satisfied today. If you'd like to see me again, make sure you hit push notifications and I will see you on the next one. Bye!
Frazier won the drone, and as you can see, he's having a lot of fun with it.
Oh, we're filming.
But today
he hasn't.
I haven't. So put me down.
He hasn't.
I don't think he has.
You guys are being aggressive.
Okay.
Wow. Holy.
All right.
That's good, bro. That's a good
fire.
start.
Is your FaZe member from America?
No.
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 From America. So
He is.
This is
He
from
is.
America. Tommy's
He
from
is.
America. Swag's definitely American.
Yep.
Nate Hill's American, right?
Yeah.
Flea is
No.
Australian.
High Sky is
Homage is
Canadian.
Canadian. Alex is Polish, but we put him down.
Yeah.
Apex is American.
Dubs is definitely American.
Sorry. Who was that? I don't want to disrespect that person. Orba, man. I'm sorry, Orba. Norden isn't, Nikon isn't, Mongrel isn't, Yuan, Rug is, and Sensei is. Whoa! That was a lot of teams.
It's looking pretty even again.
FaZe member is gonna get the $1,000 because their reaction is gonna be good, right?
Yeah.
$3,000.
All right. Is your FaZe member on the East Coast or the West Coast?
It's a good one, and I know which coast.
East.
East Coast.
Yeah, East.
East Coast, man.
Gone.
Okay, so
That's a no.
no to Lucas, no to scissors.
No.
Wait. Tico might have a little bit there.
Yeah, true. That
No, that is a little bit. That is a little bit.
Not.
Wait. Is this
Let's
a
get
little
rid of
bit?
the definitely no's.
There's definitely no's first.
So, no.
3 million subscribers.
Yeah.
Okay, so no,
No.
no,
No.
He
doesn't.
him.
That's a solid one,
That's a
man.
good one.
Man, he feels like it's 50-50 again. This could go
Yeah.
either way.
Yeah, they might even end it early 2-0.
Yes. They do have a Fortnite montage.
No.
Oh no!
Yeah, that's it.
All right, I have a question. Does your FaZe member have their own G Fuel flavor?
Ooh.
Yes.
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 Yeah.
Can't be. It can't be. Nah.
What is going on?
Who do you have left, bro?
What am I gonna say?
Here we go!
Is your FaZe member High Sky?
No!
Damn it!
Yes!
Damn it! I knew it.
We're at the top of the parking garage. It's a fun place to be.
This is the scenic point
That
in
is,
Burbank.
wow, you're really going for it with that bag.
Yeah, just really unceremonious here. But so grab your 5 Vegas burgers. So what we gotta remember about these is little topping on it. Bacon, green peppers, grilled onions, raw onions, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, mustard, steak sauce, literally all of it. And we have done that.
Yeah.
This is a wet burger.
Dang, it's so big.
Five Guys make a nice cheeseburger.
Fancy though.
So they got like thin cut bacon. I'm thinking we do some thick cut pork belly. We braise it, we fry it. We got some cool flavors in there. We'll figure that out later. Well, all the condiments, there's cool stuff to play with that we haven't seen on burgers before. Give me that. What are you doing, silly? Like mushrooms, right? Like mushrooms, we can do fancy wild mushrooms. We can do like...
Gyu literally just means Japanese cow. So gyu is the Japanese word for cow, and then wa is a, what's that word? A prefix? Prefix?
I'm a writer and I don't subscribe to any of that.
But it basically means that it comes from the lineage of the famous. You're gonna wanna reach the fingers down in that hole.
Get out of there.
So I'm gonna sort of like try and stagger these here. I'm gonna need you to plunge the hole eventually. Are you a good hole plunger?
Oh boy. They all knew we were gonna say something.
We're getting there. We were getting there, one way or another. Olive oil on the outside, even if a small amount can burn. That said, olive oil also just has a really strong flavor that you may not want with beef, right? The more olive oil on your beef, the less it's going to taste like beef.
Okay.
Although an old roommate of mine swore by coconut oil.
Ew!
Don't know what to tell you. It's not
I
toxic.
don't like that. I don't think that would.
Floor.
What do you think?
There's
Ooh,
more
that
milk
one
than-
that one did it just really nice.
I'm adding some bay leaves to the pot. So right now we just got water, we got peppercorns, we got bay leaves. I'm gonna add some onions. Some people might saute this before.
No, I lost all
It's
of the
good.
garlic.
No, just scoop it up and throw it in the pot.
You know,
sometimes 80% of your garlic's on the
This
floor.
really reminds me all about excess because there's too many guys.
Yeah, 5
It's
guys
just
is too many.
We could have been just one guy, but
This
we're 5.
is looking pretty awesome.
Whoa.
It's looking super nice and crispy right here. I just kind of want to hack this up. You want to eat it? It's probably incredibly hot.
Okay. Owie!
Whoa.
Don't sing it. Don't sing it. We can't do that.
I'm gonna take these out, get them resting on this baking rack. Look at that.
The color is pretty too.
Yeah, it's really gorgeous. I mean, all that super dark
That is a
barrel-aged soy.
thick boy.
Yeah, but the good news is it's going on a whole hamburger. Of Cab Franc, of Merlot. Got a ton of tannic structure to it, which is what I really want for this. Give it a lot of complexity. Then go with that beef stock. Uh-oh.
The babies are out of the basket.
Babies are out of the basket.
Listen, man, something came out of my mouth. I didn't plan for it.
Babies are in. So we're gonna add some beef stock to that too.
I know that if he got menstrual cramps though, he couldn't hack it.
Oh God, no.
He couldn't
Cheese and rice, that seems like a nightmare. I'm so sorry that you have to do that.
That's nice.
Okay, so this is very cool. This is very fancy butter. This is burro al centrifuge. So this is Italian butter that is actually, butter's typically made slow churning. This is incredibly fast churned butter. I want this to reduce a little bit more till the liquid is like almost gone. All right, so this needs to reduce. Wait a minute, what are you doing with that baby?
Don't put it in the river.
Emily, come help me find this baby. We gotta save it. Half condiment sauce, half, vegetable component. You wanna try it?
Sure.
Yeah, try that shroom.
Thanks.
All right, mushrooms are done. One of our vegetable components is done. We got two more hyper stylized,
That's
like
better
Ryan
than the
Adams
bacon.
vegetables. What?
That's even better than the bacon.
Yeah, this is gonna make we jazz it up a little bit.
Okay.
So instead of making grilled onions, we're gonna make a nice balsamic onion jam. We got this legit balsamico de Modena.
Ooh.
Any balsamic that doesn't come from Modena is not balsamic at all, yelled my Italian roommates at me when I got them Trader Joe's balsamic. It's just a real story. And blowtorch right there.
Is it these buttons?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So I'm gonna get just a bunch of butter into this pot. Yeah, light them up. We got butter in the pot, and now I'm gonna add all these here onions.
I feel like Tank Girl.
Yeah, Lori Petty, oh my God, great movie.
Lori
off, flame should be always on, just keep going.
I like to take breaks.
We don't take breaks in the kitchen.
Well,
We're like legally, like we do. There we go. Yeah.
It's hard to get it in the crack.
Yeah, sometimes you just got it. You got two options: shove harder or lube more. Can I grab this? I wanted to use it all. Things just kind of got out of hand.
I don't think it got out of hand. Oh no, this is gonna splatter.
Yeah, it's gonna splatter. Ow! Okay, there, Emily, put cheese on top of that one. I'm gonna flip this one.
Oh my God, I love this. Look at how beautiful.
On the edges, because this is gonna be like a heavily architectured burger.
Oh man, I like these pickles. So these are called what kind of pickles?
Cornichons.
I thought they were gherkin. What's a gherkin?
A gherkin's a less fancy name for a cornichon.
Oh, cool, so I was right.
You were right.
Yeah.
All right, now can you get some of those mushrooms again?
Where do I put this?
You said you were never gonna dance again, Emily. You told me, you looked me dead in the eye.
Feet are so guilty.
You said guilty feet.
They ain't got no rhythm.
Ain't got no rhythm. Okay, so we got this. So now, lettuce. Just like a couple
what kind of lettuce is that?
But first, we gotta look at how it compares to the original Five Guys burger. Wow. I'd like to think it was an accident at how big we made this hamburger.
That is the most terrifying snowman I've ever seen.
Or the most beautiful snowman. Well, I'm gonna cut this in half. We need to taste this. So, let's be real. The top layer is fluff. Get the lettuce off there.
Okay.
Get the tomato off there.
But wait, Josh.
Crush this.
Hey, Josh.
Oh.
How much is this monstrosity?
$379.81. We learned that with proper cooking technique and good friendship, you two can make the best.
Chew.
I'm trying to talk to them.
Oh.
You two can live the life that you wanted to be in the world.